Today, we are stepping into the realm of luxury niche fragrances. And this is from a house that's been getting a ton of hype. And they do things a little bit differently with their approach to the design of the bottles, to the packaging, to everything that the brand represents. And I can't wait to dive into this one. So we're gonna find out if this is a spray or a pray. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Dalen. Please hit that subscribe button and let's get into this package. Full disclosure, the good people at Max Aroma and House of Dastan sent this over to me. So that's who we're gonna be talking about today, the House of Dastan. And they have been getting a ton of recognition online. I got this package, but I have not actually opened it up. I wanted to wait to do it with you guys. So this is gonna be our first overview of the brand, of everything that is inside here. So with that, let's open this guy up. It is now touching the floor. Okay, we've now hit the end of that. I have heard nothing but good things about the packaging, about the box and everything. This is our little discovery set. Very excited to get my nose on those, be able to try them out a little bit. So this is gonna be a little 10 ml. This one is unseen. Again, I have never tested this brand out, so scent profiles and everything, I'm going in completely blind. For our main bottle right here, we have Light Breeze. Before we actually get into these fragrances, I want to talk about the history behind the brand because I think it's really fascinating. So the brand House of Dastan was actually founded by two siblings, Sonia and Ahmed Arifian. They are actually the people behind Max Aroma. So they've had a ton of experience dealing with other niche brands and fragrances, and they wanted to go and start their own. They wanted to blend their Persian history and Parisian luxury. House of Dastan also used feedback from over 500 customers to build their scent. They care about their community's perspective and opinions. Oh, and did I mention that these were perfumed by master perfumer Richard Herpen? Yeah, so you know the scent profiles are done right. Another thing that I absolutely love about this brand is when you go on their website, you see the images they use, you see the detail that they put into their website about each and every fragrance. They care about what their fragrances smell like and the story behind each and every one of them. For me, that's very important. That's a little bit about the history behind the brand, but I actually want to get into these. The links are in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you buy anything, it gives me a little bit of a kickback, but absolutely no pressure to you guys. Otherwise, just be here for the entertainment. These are gonna be some beautiful bottles and I'm gonna talk about them. There's only one fragrance I'm actually gonna smell today, and that's gonna be our main one, but I'm gonna show you guys these two, and they're gonna be separate videos because I actually wanna take the time to go into each and every one of them and describe the scent profile. This is our discovery set. We have all 6 of these fragrances, except the new one, 12 Faces. That one is a special edition, Unseen. Now, I've heard really good things about Unseen, so this is gonna be one that I'm really excited about getting into. This design almost reminds me of something like from The Great Gatsby, just high class, luxury, very expensive vibes, but such a unique style of bottle. The main star of the show is gonna be Light Breeze. This is the one that I am incredibly excited about. From what I hear, the perfect fragrance for the spring and the summertime. I love the green on here, and again, how the lines kind of come in and they go around the logo, they go to the sides. As somebody who's very like creative and artistic, like seeing this actually gets me a little excited. I love seeing like a good logo and a good design. So that is gorgeous, gorgeous presentation. I love that. But the bottle, oof. That is absolutely gorgeous. There is this green kind of turquoise looking juice in here. Very like summer spring vibes for sure. Oh, the bottle feels gorgeous. I am such a sucker when it comes to designs. This is a luxury artistic niche brand that is inspired entirely by the stories of Persia. So it comes with this really nice pamphlet. I'm gonna read it out. House of Dastan, founded by siblings Ahmed and Sonia Arifian, blends Parisian refinement, Persian artistry, and New York style. With over 20 years in high-end fragrance e-commerce at Max Aroma, their passion and heritage inspired the unique fragrance house. The process was a true collaboration involving over 500 customers in fragrance development. The result? Exceptional perfumes that are approachable, wearable, honorable, with superior performance at their core. We have some notes here about Light Breeze. Light Breeze captures the chill vibe of a quiet morning by the ocean. Picture the sun rising as you relax in your favorite chair, embraced by the soft sea breeze filled with laughter and sweet memories. It's a reminder of those special moments spent with loved ones, letting Light Breeze whisk you away with gentle touch, bringing you back the warmth and the joy of your best times and best memories. Aroma palette, we have ambroxan, nutmeg, and pink pepper. I love when brands put stuff like this. They just add a little bit extra. Something that I find incredibly interesting about this brand is every single one of their fragrances is tied back to a Rumi poem. Light Breeze, you do have a spirit body. Don't dread leaving the physical one. If you don't know who Rumi was, he was a legendary 13th century Persian mystic and poet. When the House of Dastan says that every fragrance is inspired by a Rumi poem, it doesn't mean that it's just a generic name. It means that there's actually a deep and spiritual story behind it. So we've seen the bottle, inspired by that Parisian architecture and New York, which this does scream New York. Again, this gives me like Great Gatsby vibes, which I love. I think that's so cool. We're gonna take our scent strip and we're going to spray a little bit of this on here. We're gonna see what the actual scent profile is. Again, this is Light Breeze. So think of this as more of like an uplifting spring and summer vibe by the ocean. I'm not expecting anything dark. So let's get into that. Nice sprayer, gets that juice out nicely. Okay. Interesting. I'm getting some citrus in the opening. It does feel very light, very like breezy, Light Breeze. The name definitely fits. That is a very good description of this one. It's light, it's not too heavy, kind of like aquatic almost. Feels like there's like some saltiness or something in this. There seems to be some different things going on in the audience there. You definitely have that citrus, you have some salty notes, but there's something else in there. This is unique. I like this one. Very fresh, very clean, very like masculine scent profile. I like that. Smells very, very high quality, as it should. As a niche fragrance, this should smell high quality. This should smell like it because it is a price point above a regular designer. I love it enough. This is gonna be our scent of the day. One behind the neck, just for good measure. Very like easy to wear fragrance. Let's take a look at our note breakdown. We have ambroxan, nutmeg, and pink pepper. Then we have juniper, lavender, lemon, bergamot, verbena, mandarin, pink pepper, cardamom, black pepper, nutmeg, orchinox, rose, tonka, sandalwood, amberette, musk, moss, and ambery woods. Wow. Let's talk about the perfumer, Richard Herpen. So Richard Herpen's approach to perfume creation is centered around emotions and spontaneity. He compares creating a perfume to sketching a scene in real life, where the perfumer first captures an emotional moment and then adds colors and details. Richard loves the idea that perfume is never the same for any two people and constantly evolves as worn. His fragrances are often described as harmonious blend of different music genres. So as the fragrance is starting to evolve now, it kind of has this very citrus, zesty vibe. Because I know there's lemon, I also know there's mandarin in there and the bergamot. It's kind of coming together. I'm getting some of that mandarin orange and it's really nice. There's that slight bit of sweetness, a little bit of the nutmeg, a little bit of that ambroxan. It's just coming together in such a nice and smooth way. This is going to be perfect for spring, summertime, kind of that everyday wear. Wow. And I'm not just saying that because these were sent over to me. I actually really like this scent profile because the snow is starting to go for me. Spring and summer is around the corner. I'm ready for some fresher, cleaner, citrus vibe scent profiles. When you smell this on somebody, it's just gonna smell good. It's not gonna be too polarizing. It doesn't have those ouds, doesn't have those leather notes. With the citrus, the nutmeg, the ambroxan, the pink peppers, a little bit of spiciness, but then you have the citruses. I think this is a clean, easy to wear scent profile that honestly smells really good. Hey, but again, fragrances are subjective. If I were you guys and you're interested in this brand, what I would absolutely start with is this. This is going to be your discovery set. This is going to allow you to smell every single one from the house and decide what you guys actually like. That's what I would do first. Don't go out and blind buy a more luxury or expensive fragrance. First, get their discovery kit, find out which fragrance you actually like, and then you can commit to either a 10 ml or a full bottle if you want to go that route. I don't think it's going to be beast mode per se, but I think this is going to be the perfect amount of time to wear this in those hotter days. You're at the beach, you're enjoying that warmer weather. I think this is going to stick on your skin exactly as it should. Light Breeze, absolutely a spray in my books. As far as the scent profile goes, I'm gonna give this one like an 8.5 out of 10. Really, really solid. Now, of course, you are gonna be paying a premium for something like this, so just expect that. For a scent profile, blind buyness, 6.5, 7 range. Now, for complete blind buyness, scent, and price, I say this is more like a 4 out of 10, just because it does have that more premium price tag. So that's why you would get something like this, a discovery set. Then you can commit to a full bottle. But if you're gonna blind buy a fragrance, this is a more premium price tag, so just expect that. But scent profile, fantastic. Oh, it's changing again. It has this like, I'm just getting like the faintest like Sprite note, almost like fresh, kind of like sweet almost. Very nice. This is absolutely a perfect fragrance for spring and summertime. All right, guys, this was my review on Light Breeze from the House of Dastan. I also am going to be doing separate videos for the Discovery Kit and for the 10 ml Unseen, which I've heard is fantastic. So keep your eyes out for that. If you are interested in testing out any of these fragrances, I highly recommend going for the Discovery Kit. There's going to be a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. So if you use my link, I get a little bit of a kickback. It helps support the channel, which I'd really appreciate. Otherwise, there is no pressure on you guys, but I would absolutely do the Discovery Kit before committing to a full bottle. But for me, Light Breeze is absolutely a win, a fantastic, fresh, clean, masculine scent profile that's going to be perfect for the spring and the summertime. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you aren't already, and we will see you guys in the next video.